welcome to my channel. My name is Ali. I hope you're all doing well and are staying safe. Today I have a quick Pandora haul to share with all of you. So Pandora had a 25% off sale. Actually, while I'm filming this, I think there's one more day to go for the sale. And so 25% is such a great deal because for Thanksgiving, for Black Friday, they do a 30% off sale, and it's varied from 20 to 30% off sale. So 25% on almost everything is really good. And so I did pick up one item, and this one is actually a newer item that released a little bit ago. And ooh, there it's actually sealed here. And if you can see a sneak peek, it's the club charm. So that is the item number and everything. So let me actually quickly get scissors and cut this up because, as I said, this is sealed. So I ordered from the e-store, and most of the items that I've received from the e-store have come sealed like this. So let me quickly open this up and we'll look at the charm. And in here, it is wrapped in some bubble wrap, which I really appreciate that they've packaged it so well. And here is the charm, and it is so beautiful. So they're calling this the 4-leaf clover club charm, and it is beautiful. It has this beautiful enamel on it. So on the outer leaves of the clover, you see this kind of tealish green blue enamel that moves into more blue, and then in the center, oh, and it moves, I did not know that. In the center you have this gold bit. This is 14 karat gold plated, and in the center you do have a lab created diamond in here. And as I just discovered, this inner bit, the inner clover, actually moves, which is such a cool design element. I love that. And you can see that the enamel is not smooth. There is some texture to it. I'm guessing that texture is underneath the enamel, I'm thinking, because I see those lines in there. So I think there's some texture on the silver bit, and the enamel is up over top. It has that almost crackly effect to it. And so it is kind of like a translucent enamel, and the bail on this is plain silver. On one side it says Pandora, and it says 2025 because it is the 2025 club charm, and on the other side it has the S925 ALE hallmarks, and on the back there is some engraving here. It says good things are coming, and then it's plain silver, shiny smooth silver, and then at the very edges you do have some beaded detail. So it's a beautiful charm. I love the enamel colors. I love the gold. It really works well with the enamel colors, and I love that this little bit moves here. So this is the charm that I picked up. Now I wanted to do a mini design with this, and I actually picked out a few Muranos that I have in my collection that I'm currently not using in a design. And since I hadn't opened this charm, I didn't know which one would work. So let's just quickly look at them and see what will work with this charm. So here I have these 3 sets of Muranos. I have 2 of the opalescent ones, I have the green ones, and then I have these light blue ones. And then these are very old. These are the folklore Muranos that Pandora released quite a while ago, and I am so lucky to have a pair in my collection. I really love these, and if I'm being very honest, all 3 of these Muranos will actually look great with this charm. And so I don't know which one I want to use, because the green and blue in this kind of pull the teal in here, the green and the teal. These light blue ones actually look very pretty with that blue at the very edge of the charm. And then these folklore Muranos also have this blue and green color scheme with a little bit of this brownish red in here, and I think that looks beautiful too. And so this is a conundrum. I don't know which ones to use. And so I've been using a lot of these opalescent Muranos, but I haven't used the folklore Muranos in a while. So maybe I'll go with that, you know, something very new with something quite old from Pandora. So let's do that. So I have these flower pattern clips in my collection, and these are these 4-petal flowers that are on the clips, and I think they look a lot like clovers. So instead of using these clips as clips, I just thought I would use them as charms or spacers on this mini design. And so this is what the folklore Muranos look like with the charm itself, and then with these. And then I also have this studded sliding bracelet with me. And so I'm thinking I'll put those on here. I don't know why my camera keeps going out of focus, but let me quickly put these charms on here and let's see how this design looks on a bracelet. And then I'll try and show it to you on my wrist as well. So this is a quick design. I did add these pave clips at the end. These do have silicone lining in them, so they're really great for bracelets that do not have clip stations. So I have the clover charm in the middle, then I have the flower pattern clips, I have the folklore Muranos, and then the pave clips. So cute design, very simple, but I love how the Muranos pick up these blues and greens on the clover club charm. And what do you guys think? I think it looks really cute. I love these mini designs, and it's just so springy with the clover and the hints of green and blue in here, and the tiny bit of red in the folklore as well. I really like that as well. I think that goes really well with the gold as well. And so, yeah, I would love, I know I sound like a broken record, but I would love for Pandora to do some more spacers, because you can tell I'm desperate at this point. I'm using clips as spacers. But anyways, that is my design with the clover charm. Let me quickly try and show this to you on my wrist. And here it is on my wrist. I think it looks really pretty. I love to layer, and so I'll probably layer this with a few other bracelets. I do post whatever I'm wearing and how I'm layering my stuff on my Instagram. If you're not already following me there, that is where you can see how I wear my bracelets. Because I post on stories or something like that with my bracelets of the day. And so yeah, this is what it looks like, and I'm really loving how this is looking. Now, since I have you guys here, I actually wanted to show you a couple more designs that I've been really enjoying. This first one here, this is on the double leather bracelet. This is the Moments brown braided double leather bracelet. I recently hauled this a couple months ago, I want to say. I love the clasp that they have on here, this carabiner clasp, and on this I actually wore this on Valentine's Day, and you know, I just love how this looks. It is brown leather, and on here I put this love script charm that I have, and then I added these little heart dangle charms. I've had this black one for a little bit in my collection, but these blue and green ones I recently added to my collection. These are the mini heart dangles. They are from the Pandora Me collection, but the bail on these is bigger, so they do fit Moments bangles and bracelets as well, and I love that. And so I really like how this looks with the love script charm in the middle, and then I have the black heart dangle, the blue heart dangle, and the green one. I am still wanting to get the purple one, and then there's a pink one that's in Pandora Rose that I would also love to get. And so I wore this. I did put a stack of this together like with other bracelets, and I'm going to try and insert it somewhere over here so you can see that. But yeah, this one is just so comfortable to wear because it's leather, and then with just this tiny little bit of dangle and that love script. So that's the first design, and there's one more. And this is on the silver sliding bracelet. You guys, I know, again, broken record, but I love my sliding bracelets. So this is on the original silver sliding bracelet, and this one has two tones on it, which I absolutely love. So the centerpiece I have on here, this one was released a couple of years ago, I want to say, and it released and was retired pretty quickly, which I was sad about, but I'm really glad I was able to pick this up. This is the two-tone double heart dangle charm, and it has these double hearts. So this back heart is silver, and then this heart on top is 14 karat gold, and it's a pretty solid piece. The back, so the gold is only on the top bit of the heart. The back is all silver. I wish it was all gold, but this was already an expensive charm, so I know if they had done the whole thing gold, it probably would be even more expensive, and I know that gets hard. And then the bail on this just has some clear CZs in a row on it. Next to that, this double dangle heart, I have these two dewdrop charms, and these are really old, you know, actual vintage Pandora. I actually bought them pre-loved, and I'm so happy. Actually, I bought this pre-loved, and this one was a gift from Linda, my dear friend Linda, who's LSN2 here on YouTube as well as on Instagram. So very special. So these are also two-tone charms. This one has a diamond in here as well, and this one is not lab created. This one is an actual diamond. There's bits of gold in here. It has a faceted black onyx, and then on this one there is a black onyx instead of a diamond on here, and then this one is an orange or peach moonstone, and then again you have those bits of gold in here as well. These Muranos are new. They are still part of the current catalog for Pandora, and these are the golden mini Muranos. And you see that gold foil inside. That's actually 24 karat gold foil, which I love that. And then the last pieces I have on here are these clips. These are the snake chain pattern clips, and these are now retired. They're not very old, but they are retired now. And again, they have silicone lining, so they are perfect for putting on bracelets with no clip stations. So that's the other bracelet design, and so I'll try and insert a photo of me wearing this as well. And so yeah, these are a couple of my designs that I've been enjoying, and then the new charm and the little design we just put together with the new club charm, and I'm really loving it. I think I'll wear this today. So yeah guys, this is all I wanted to share with you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love it if you would consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe guys.